welcome to Drier Days Art Studio. I'm Catherine and I'm so happy to have you here. Well, I'm going to do another vlog today, and it is actually my birthday week this week, and so I'm going to be doing something a little bit different this week, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys, and I hope maybe some of you can partake in it with me if you like. I am a huge follower of Dr. Wayne Dyers. He is just this phenomenal man who passed away just a couple years ago, and motivational speaker, writer, enlightened, superhuman person. He is just wonderful. I love reading his books. And one of the things that he said in one of his books, and what stuck out to me, was on his birthday, he gives gifts instead of necessarily just receiving. Last year I started this, I was doing several different things to give, and this year I decided that my birthday week, I would do some sort of giving every day of the week. So starting today, Sunday, I am offering a 25% discount in honor of my birthday. 25th birthday. I'm offering a 25% discount that is birthday 25 over on my Spreezy store. I'll have a link down in the description, and I'll put it right here too so you can see the web address. So that will be 25% off everything in my store, and that link will be good for the entire week. So it'll be good through June 16th. Monday, I am going to make a donation. If you're not familiar, about a week and a half ago, Dayton, Ohio was slammed with some tornadoes, and they're really struggling there. A lot of people still displaced, still trying to get power back on and things like that. So I'm going to make a monetary donation to GoFundMe account. And if you would like to do that as well, I will link GoFundMe down in the description. On Tuesday, I'm going to look into local things in my area that I can volunteer for. There is a Cinicinnati Lab Rescue that rescues only Labrador retrievers, and I'm going to look into volunteering for them. And there is also something called Girls on the Run, and they have a chapter here in Cincinnati. And I love to run. It's been a part of my life, my entire life. And I just really love what this organization is all about building confidence, self-esteem, self-respect among young girls, and doing it through the love of running. On Wednesday, I'm gonna be clearing out my closet, and I'm gonna be donating all the clothes I don't wear anymore, which is a lot. I do try to do this about once every year, every 2 years. I just go through my closet, I go through my kids' closets, I have my husband go through his stuff, and we get big bags together and we take them to Goodwill or other places in the area to donate clothes. On Thursday, I am going to call the people who gave me life, my mother and father, and I am going to tell them 5 things that are the most memorable in my life that they taught me or that they gave to me, or moments that we had together. I had a client that used to always joke that on our birthdays it should really be our parents that we're celebrating because they brought us into this world, and I really like that. So on Thursday I'm going to call my parents. Either I'm going to call them or I'm going to write them a card. So I haven't decided yet, and if they're watching this right now you know I'm going to do that. On Friday, I am gonna go over things that we can do that don't require any money, that you can just do for other people. It's totally free, and just kind of on Friday really focus on what I can do as a person to enrich someone else's life. Just, you know, things like genuinely smiling at my cashier and thanking them, the person bagging my groceries, my waitress at a restaurant, giving random compliments. That's one of my favorite things to do. And actually my daughters have picked up on me doing this. When I go through the line to get a coffee, I'll usually try to give the person at the window a compliment, and my girls have started to notice this, and I've actually noticed my 6-year-old daughter starting to do this with people. When we're at a store, she'll go up and tell them something nice about their nails or their hair, and you know, that can just really brighten somebody's entire day. And I am just so glad that my girls are picking up on that and starting to do that. So, you know, there are ways of giving back, just simple little things like that that really make a difference. And on Friday, I'm gonna really focus on doing that as much as I can. Saturday, I am going to have care packages put together for the homeless, and I'm going to go down into downtown Cincinnati and hand out these bags. I found something on Pinterest where you can make these care packages for things that the homeless really need, and instead of just, again, giving them money, it's stuff like toothbrushes, socks. Last year I gave water too. I think I'm definitely gonna give water again this year. It was so hot last year on my birthday, and I just can't, it's something close to my heart, the homeless, and just going down there, letting them know that I see them, that they are seen, that they matter, and trying to help brighten their day. I will never forget, there was one man just sitting there and he just looked lost. He just looked like he wasn't there anymore, and I went up and I put my hand on his shoulder and just tried to have that human contact with someone else. And I really found that doing that on my birthday, you know, it wasn't easy. It would be easy to just sit back and receive presents and, oh, it's my day. And it really gave me this new perspective. It filled me with gratitude. That's the point, I think. It can be hard to sometimes step out of our comfort zone and do these types of things, but I think it's so important, and I'm so excited to do it, and I hope you all can join me. That's all I got for now. We actually have some more nature going on in our lives. My very first vlog was my husband rescuing some little duckies, and my girls just discovered a nest of baby bunnies in our backyard. So I'll include some footage of those precious little animals here at the end. We lived in rural North Dakota for 5.5 years, and I don't feel like I had as much nature as I do living in this house in the suburbs in the last couple of months, but they're adorable, they're so sweet, and I mean, who doesn't like baby animals, really? They're just so precious and adorable. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Come find me over on Instagram so that you can follow my week of giving leading up to my birthday, and I appreciate you all so much, and until next time, everybody, keep on pouring.
Okay.
Okay, so what did you guys find in our yard?
Baby bunnies.
You found baby bunnies?
Yeah.
Well, hold on. Do you know how many are in there?
Well, we think there's 5 baby bunnies, but one ran into the tree.
Oh no, it did?
Yeah. And so we're gonna try and keep an eye out for that one little baby bunny in case it's gonna run back. Yeah. But we don't know if the mother's coming back.
Oh, she'll be back. So we just had our lawn mowed today, right? And that's kind of how you guys saw it, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Right over here, there's some grass with some fluffy hair. Yeah.
Yeah, they have a nice nest going there, huh?
Yeah. And we're gonna hold one. No more. Oh, I think that's...
So we looked this up and they did say it was okay
I can't see. Thank you.
to touch them, that the mommy will come back and feed them.
I see one down there.
Careful, Kate. Just be gentle. All right. Don't
Oh
poke.
gosh, see, they're sleeping.
Pull
They're
it
so
back too
little.
Baby kitten.
Oh my gosh.
It's away. Put it in my hand. The nails out.
He has little nails.
Oh no! Don't want to get away.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. All right,
Friend.
friend.
We'll check on them tomorrow.
Yep, we'll check them tomorrow. We'll see if they're still here.